Donald Trump's return as US president has global implications, especially for the pharmaceutical industry. From drug pricing to trade policies and manufacturing, his decisions could ripple across the world. Let's break it down in just 2 minutes. Trump has long targeted high drug prices in the US. One major proposal is the most favored nation model, tying US prices to lower prices in other countries. While this might help Americans, pharmaceutical companies could raise prices elsewhere, especially in low and middle-income countries, to offset revenue losses. Trump's push for domestic manufacturing could disrupt the global pharmaceutical supply chain. Countries like China and India, which supply most active ingredients, could face reduced demand from the US. This could lead to higher production costs, global shortages, and delays, impacting the availability of affordable medications worldwide. Trump's FDA reforms, like faster drug approvals, could influence other countries to follow suit. But there's a trade-off. While this means faster access to new treatments, it raises questions about safety and efficacy. Trump's funding cuts to global health programs during his first term weakened initiatives for HIV, AIDS and vaccine distribution. If repeated, this could strain healthcare systems in developing nations. On the flip side, this could push countries to innovate locally, strengthening their healthcare infrastructure. Emerging markets like Asia, Africa, and South America are becoming more important. Multinational companies may shift focus there to offset changes in the US, but if nationalism dominates, global collaboration could suffer, slowing progress on pandemic preparedness and other critical challenges. Trump's policies could reshape the pharmaceutical industry worldwide, creating both challenges and opportunities. The question is, can the world adapt? What's your take on Trump's global pharma impact? Share your thoughts in the comments, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pharma insights.